Alright, microwave stopped working. Took it apart. Cover's there. I'm gonna check the fuse first. Looks like we're good there. What I've discovered is that when the door comes in, it presses that red button on that switch, and there's one up top and one on bottom for each of these. The one on top, if you can see in there, seems to be depressed. Focus, focus. There we go. So it's not sticking out. So we either need to get it to stick out, or maybe short circuit that by bridging there. Alright, that's what we're going to try to fix. Alright, just as a test, put 2 nails into those contacts. I'm going to connect them with this wire, and we're going to see if I explode myself. Zap. Alright. Maybe that'll complete the circuit and it'll run. Don't mind the mess. Alright, got a banana peel, that'll work. You have to have liquid. I don't have a shield on here, so I'm going to back up. Success. Alright, we're going to short circuit it, but then get a switch ordered and call off the home warranty. And also clean out all the splatters in here. Lovely. Alright, got the switch out, and that doesn't spring up or down. Alright, so there's a broken spring in it, and usually you can't take these apart. That came out from here at a weird angle, and held together by 2 screws.